Are you afraid to risk your hard-earned money in binary options? Well, binary options Cashback.com give you an ability to invest your money without the risk of the initial deposit. How does it function? Would you like to invest in binary options but it scares you to think that you could lose your money? 1. Select any broker from our selected web banners. 2. Open an account and deposit the recommended amount. 3. Send us an email to webmaster@binaryoptionscashback.com with the following details: name, broker's name, deposited amount, and the desired method to receive your money back, i.e. PayPal, money brokers, or bank account. And within a short duration of 30 days, you will get the return of the deposit. This advertisement comes with no obligations. We don't require any minimum amount of trades, and you can withdraw your deposit whenever you want. On the other hand, you can open an account with any or all brokers listed and receive a consequent refund.
Hello class, this is Brian from FinancialTradingSchool.com and welcome to BO 112 Forex Pairs. So just a reminder before we start, as I mentioned before in BO 101, binary options are traded based on an underlying asset, and there are a total of 4 different assets: stocks, Forex, indices, and commodities. And as you may have noticed, the chart examples from BO 105 all the way till BO 109 were all Forex chart examples. Hence, I prefer Forex due to its volatility. And most students who watch my lessons just follow suit as well. So the next logical question is, which Forex pairs are quote-unquote best to trade? So the best quote-unquote Forex pairs are the majors. And these are basically the popular trading pairs due to being big countries, or they're good economies, or they have high interest rates or low interest rates, or whatever the case may be for the economy, or they have natural resources, so they have a high GDP, or they're manufacturing or producing a lot of metals or oil or whatever it is. And just an FYI, there's no standard when it comes to majors, but most traders, if you talk to Forex traders, would agree that there are about 4 majors, and these are bolded. In addition, I've also added gold, AU, which is the symbol on the periodic table, and silver, AG, as well, to the bottom of the list. So as you notice on the left, the primary list is mainly based on USD pairs, and the secondary list is based on the euro, with the exception of NZD. So on the primary list, you have the Australian USD, the Euro USD, the Great Britain Pound USD, USD CAD, Canadian Dollar, USD and Swiss franc, USD Japanese Yen, the gold against the USD for your primary list. Then secondary list, you have the Euro Australian, Euro Canadian, Euro Swiss franc, Euro Pound, Euro Japanese Yen, New Zealand Dollar USD, and Silver USD. So you're probably wondering, what are the benefits of trading the majors? Due to being popular, lots of people are trading them. And since there are more people trading them, this leads to more trading volume, which leads to more liquidity. So you're probably wondering, why is this good? Well, if you've ever opened a chart on a day when banks have holidays, you'll recall the markets are quote-unquote choppy, which means that it's harder to trade due to lack of volume. The price just spikes up and down randomly, thus it's beneficial for the markets to have volume and liquidity to allow quote-unquote smooth trading. Another reason is that if there are more people trading, there's a higher chance that there are more people who are like-minded, and they'll be trading on your side of the fence. Thus, price action, indicators, news, etc. will trade better because there are more people following and trading them. I realize this is a short video, but realistically there's not much to say here. It's just listing the major pairs. Usually I just answer this if somebody asks me in one-line answers. But just some final notes before we end off the video. Since these are majors, most likely every binary options broker you trade with will have them available. And although this lesson shines the spotlight on majors, it doesn't mean that minors, e.g. every other pair, are bad. I don't talk about minors because of the reasons listed on the previous slide. Since they're minors, less people are trading them, thus less volume and less liquidity, so they're harder to trade. Lastly, not all binary option brokers have minors available. Each broker will differ in what they have to offer, so just be aware of your selection when picking brokers to trade with. So that's it, I'm done. As usual, my recommended brokers are 24 Option, Bank to Binary, and Trade Rush. Make sure you guys use my link to sign up so that you can get an hour of tutoring with me. Full details can be found at ftstutor.com. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I will see you guys next time.